What are your thoughts on the LSM program, especially after 10 years of growth and impact?
The LSM program is very interesting because it focuses on two core aspects, the management and the engineering aspect of life sciences. Having said that, the other very important point is diversity. Like here it's a melting pot of cultures, it's a melting pot of thought processes. And as a lecturer or a teacher, it's also me who is learning a lot from the students. So I promote this interaction, the ideas, the generation of notions, etc. So for me, these are very interesting aspects of the program.
How do you bring real industry challenges into the LSM classroom?
So in the LSM course this year, I have introduced what is known as a capstone project. So the idea is to formulate a project from the beginning till the end of the course. And this will be under evaluation for the continuous evaluation of the students. The idea is to face a real world problem that is in the industry, in the space of AI and drug discovery, and in the AI and pharmaceutical industry. The students have to self-organize themselves and come up with a strategy and a solution. So I think this kind of capstone project, which is the first time I'm doing it this year, would be super interesting and helpful. And I think it would capture the imagination of what LSM should be about.
What kind of learning environment do you try to create in your classes?
One aspect of the course that I really concentrate in bringing to the classroom is the ability to interact, so ability to express. And I think I will continue to do that because it makes the class more dynamic, more challenging, and students, I think, will be able to keep it for longer term in their memory when you are discussing some real world evidence or real world instances and you are debating it, you are bringing your thought process and you are questioning what is being taught. So, yeah.
From your perspective, what are the biggest challenges facing the future of biotech and pharma?
Challenge in the industry of today or in the industry of future is adoption. So although there are a lot of AI products which have a lot of core technologies like machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, etc. But one very big problem in this industry is adoption and interoperability. And these kind of aspects are really important from a management perspective, but also from the design perspective, like how you are implementing the product, what are the end users gonna face. And therefore, like what we are trying to do, which includes in my company as well, is promote what is known as experience level engagement rather than service level engagement, which means that the value derived from the product and the value delivered to future clients are determining the flow of the product. So in a way, it's also bringing human as a companion or AI as a companion to the human aspect of biotechnology and pharmaceutical industry.
How does the LSM program prepare students for the future of life sciences?
Yes, the new products and technologies module is pretty interesting because it gives students an idea about what is expected to come in the future of life science. And as we know right now that we are in an age of AI revolution, so a lot of the products in biotech and pharma are linked to AI developed products, which have like AI as a wrapper or AI as a core function. So for students, it's really important to get an understanding of how these kind of AI products are impacting the world of pharma, biotech, etc. And also how their life cycle is completely different from what is known in traditional biotech and pharma, which are linked to drugs and diagnostics. So in this respect, I think it's really interesting for students to gain an understanding into this.